Hello, boom boom.
आकांक्षा पकड़ ले दो तीन भूल पकड़ो
I'm obviously very excited. It's Dhanush, A.R. Rahman and Bharat Bala. I think that's a fabulous combination. I believe the film is fantastic. And the moment I heard ki screening ho rahi hai, I've come running for it. So.
You were supposed to be a part of Ranjana, and Dhanush was in that film. So somewhere down the line, do you regret not doing that film?
I think you get what you're meant to get. I was shooting Murder 3 at that time. I've always wanted to work with Anand sir. And I think he has always maintained that he will work with me soon. So I think you get what you're meant to get and it's fine. Boss abhi nikal rahi hai October mein, so I'm excited about that. That's going to be a fun film. और I think teaser already निकल गया है उसका.
So
Independence Day.
15 August.
Yeah. I think that everybody should cherish their and value their independence. I think a lot of our entire country has worked very hard to give us our independence. Everybody's waiting now. Let's let them go.
Thank you. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen Dhanush's any other film?
I've seen Dhanush's this recent Hindi film, Ranjana, and nothing else apart from that. I've seen the Kolavari video, of course, and yeah, high hopes for Dhanush. I think that it's this film, and in the future, I think we've got a very good actor who we can all line up to work with. नहीं हो सकेगा, जो पूछेगा उसी से बोलना पड़ेगा.
धनुष को अपनी एक भी फिल्म में चांस देना चाहेंगे, उनके साथ काम करना चाहेंगे, अगर करना चाहेंगे तो किस एक्ट्रेस को उनके अपोजिट लॉन्च करना चाहेंगे?
सर, आपने मैम इतने सारे सवाल पूछ लिए मुझसे, मैं ज़रूर उनके साथ काम करना चाहूँगा और चांस देने की बात अब रही नहीं. अब वो मुझे चांस देंगे अगर ऐसा कभी हुआ तो.
एक्ट्रेस की बात
एक्ट्रेस का तो मुझे पता नहीं, अभी मैं नहीं कह सकता. वो कहानी के हिसाब से होता है ना. I have semi-finalized it, and the moment it's finalized, I'll tell you.
India today is kind of a trend of South actors coming in Hindi films.
This trend is very old. A lot of South actresses and actors have been coming into the Hindi film industry and vice versa. So long live the trend.
India 15 August आ रहा है, एक wish अगर आप करना चाहें.
To all the viewers, a very, very happy Independence Day.
Thank you.
Just one. It's for voting. Can you say I've registered to vote? Have you for elections? I've registered.
Oh, I have registered to vote. I have registered to vote. Have you?
Thank you.
Yeah, that's good.
धनुष एज एन एक्टर क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? खैर सब तो कह नहीं रहे, लेकिन आप अपने शब्दों में अगर सही.
Dhanush is, I think, born to give happiness. उनका वही एक more than acting, I think his religion is to spread happiness, and he makes me very happy all the time.
So any plans of working with him in the future?
If I have the script and if we can get together, nothing like it. Why not? हाँ जी.
किसी एक्टर को उनके अपोजिट लॉन्च करने के लिए अगर सोचा जाए तो कौन से एक्टर्स आपके हिसाब से होंगे जो धनुष के साथ एक प्रॉपर जस्टिस कर पाए?
वो ऐसे नहीं होता, वो स्क्रिप्ट पे डिपेंड करता है. ऐसे मतलब नहीं कर सकते.
अच्छा, हमने सुना कि सोनम के साथ एक फिल्म कर रहे हैं, साथ ही हर्षवर्धन को भी लॉन्च करने की बात करें. क्या ये सच है या फिर
नहीं, हर्ष के साथ कर रहा हूँ मैं, मिर्ज़ा साहिबा.
कुछ कहा कि इसकी वजह से सोनम ने वो फिल्म मतलब you were supposed to offer for that film, but Sonam wanted his brother to launch with.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Nothing like that.
Is it true you're making Imran Khan do an Indiana Jones sort of thing?
No, not yet.
राकेश जी, 15 अगस्त आ रहा है, एक विश करना चाहें अगर आप.
I have come here to see Marian. It's the very Bharat is a dear friend, and as a maker we have always looked up to, and finally his film is there. I've got goose pimples. AR is there. Dhanush is there. AR has always inspired me. He's the light in my life. And I love Dhanush and I'm so happy for Bala today, I can't tell you.
18th August. Thank you.
15th August को देंगे.
Thank you.
नो डिजर्व. रोहिणी तू ऐसी कहेगी डिजर्व. नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे नहीं इवेंट पे. मैंने नहीं देखा. कहाँ बोला? तेरी बॉस.
हिंदी या इंग्लिश?
इंग्लिश बोलेंगे चलो.
अच्छा.
स्वरा धनुष के साथ काम किया है, ये फिल्म देखने के लिए कितनी एक्साइटेड है आप?
मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मैं धनुष की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ और सिर्फ रांझना से नहीं. मुझे याद है मैंने आड़ू कालम देख के उनके पैर छुए थे हम लोग. मैंने रांझना के दौरान देखी थी और मैंने कहा था कि आपके चरण कहाँ हैं धनुष गारू. सो येस, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच. मरियान इज़ लुकिंग ग्रेट एंड सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड.
स्वरा, धनुष से हर कोई फिलहाल आज के जो एक्टर है वो सीख रहे हैं, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जो आपने उनको सिखाई हो?
कुछ एक गालियाँ, लेकिन वो मेरी गलती नहीं है क्योंकि वो स्क्रिप्ट मैंने नहीं लिखी थी रांझना की, तो उसके बारे में आप राइटर और डायरेक्टर से बात करें. नहीं, लेकिन धनुष एक बहुत कमाल के एक्टर हैं और मुझे लगता है कि एज एन एक्टर मैंने एक चीज़ ज़रूर सीखी उनसे कि उनकी बॉडी में एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सेंस ऑफ रिदम है जो सो ही इज़ अ रियली प्लेजर टू वॉच इवन वाइल शूटिंग. सो येस.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे आ रहा है, आप कुछ विश करना चाहें अगर?
किसी को विश करना चाहूँ? So friends, very happy Independence Day to all of you, and let us all strive to be very responsible and active citizens of our country.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
I was not prepared for this.
So धनुष का नाम से जहन में क्या आता है आपके?
धनुष आता है.
कैसे अपने शब्दों में डिफाइन करना चाहेंगे धनुष को?
कि धनुष की जो पहली फिल्म थी मैंने देखी थी और उस फिल्म के राइट्स मैंने लिए थे और उस वक्त मुझे याद आ रहा है कि मैंने धनुष को भी साइन किया था. अब उसको याद है कि नहीं पता नहीं मुझे. ₹1,00,000 उसको भी मैंने दिए थे.
कौन सी फिल्म थी सर?
शाम नाम क्या है? कादल कोंडन.
कादल कोंडन.
हाँ.
सर अभी और कोई फिल्म है जो आप उनके साथ
नहीं,
करना चाहेंगे?
इस वक्त तो मैं चाहूँगा कि जो ₹1,00,000 पहले दिए थे वही कैश करूँ.
सर मिस्टर इंडिया 2 बनने कुछ उसके बारे में अपडेट बताएंगे?
मैं अभी इस फिल्म के बारे में बात करूँ तो बेटर है. एक बार पिक्चर देख के आ जाओ तो पिक्चर के बारे में बात.
अच्छा, 15 अगस्त पे एक अगर विश कर देंगे.
3 अगस्त.
15 अगस्त सर, इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
जय हिंद.
सर यहाँ वहाँ पर लेके माइक.
जय हिंद.
थैंक यू.
सुमन
भास्कर. हाँ, ये और एक साइबियन
ईद मुबारक है मैम.
Sir, this is the first film of Dhanush that you've composed music for. So how, what would you say about the young actor?
Look center.
Yeah. Go ahead. I think it was an exciting movie to compose for. The whole soundscape was Indian, South Indian, and African, and so in this we went back to like how in the 60s they have prominence for lyrics, and in fact we tuned most of the songs for concepts and Tamil lyrics, and trying to bring a very clean kind of a melody where people could just get the thought.
Mr. Rahman, background score of the movie, वो भी किया आपने, and how will you differentiate the songs as background as well as the regular songs?
In this, he was generously giving me a lot of gap for doing music, and there were many sequences where it had to be driven by music, and in fact I was feeling not uncomfortable because of I was wondering whether there's too much of music, but then of course he has this magic of visuals which takes it forward, and it was such a pleasure doing this.
Mr. Bharat, how did Marian happen?
Marian has happened because of I read a newspaper article about a true incident that happened in Sudan, and it's about immigrant workers, and it's the story of their human will to survive. And that inspired, and I think Rahman also got fired up by this human instinct in this movie.
What about this relationship with you and Rahman sir since long back now, while Marianne and all?
Relationship is past, present, future.
Rahman sir, on Independence Day, we always hear your song. If you could just, wish the viewers a happy Independence Day.
For this Independence Day, we have a very special song coming out on Coke Studio at MTV. We have a poem by Rabindranath Tagore, which I've tuned, and I've sung in Bengali. And it's going to be there, yeah. And I want to wish everyone a very happy Independence Day.
रहमान सर, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस फिल्म की का जो संगीत है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा हाईली अक्लेम किया जा रहा है. आपने उनके गानों को सुना या फिर आप उस फिल्म को देखने की इच्छा रखते हैं?
I heard one of the songs sung by Chinmay. I really loved it. And first hearing, I really loved it.
तो क्या शाहरुख की एक भी आने वाली फिल्म को आप संगीत देने वाले हैं, म्यूजिक डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं उनकी आने वाली फिल्म?
I just finished Jab Tak Hai Jaan, and people slowly start accepting the music. So I think maybe in the future we'll be doing.
शाहरुख ने अप्रोच किया फिलहाल अभी तक?
No, I'm busy with my own projects now. I'm also doing my own movie. So.
Mr. Bharat and Mr. Rahman, one question about Auro 3D experience. It's in your AM studio as well. What about this movie, Marianne?
I think the film was shot in live sound, so the experience of bringing live sounds with native Auro 3D really helped. I think it gives a very new experience to the consumers, to the audience. It's very immersive.
Rahman sir, if you could urge the viewers to vote, saying, I've registered to vote, have you? Because the elections are coming up, just asking viewers to vote.
I'll speak about Auro 3D. I think Auro 3D is a giant leap, I would say, because we've been hearing sound, and sound plays a very important. When I started, I had mono sound with Roja, and then the kind of improvement and the kind of progress which sound has made in the movies are amazing. And then I'm happy that Marianne is in Auro 3D, and I've not still heard it, but because after mixing, I went abroad. But people who saw it, I saw the tweets and I saw the experience of what people had, and it's very heartening to see kind of feedback.
Mr. Bharat, how do you think it enhanced the Marianne narrative and all with this?
I think the whole, as Rahman has already said, this film had a lot of scope to do music, a lot of spaces to do music, and the real sounds. I think that experience was required for this storytelling. So the Auro 3D experience really helped to make you feel as though you're probably in that location exactly.
Marianne means the immortal, जो कभी नहीं मरता, कभी नहीं मरने वाला. Is there anything except music, do you think, and even Bharat sir, that is Marianne?
I think it's everybody has a spirit in them to be a Marianne, to never say never die, and go for the instinct,
What about Dhanush, the new boy of B-Town and as well as?
I think Dhanush is incredibly talented, and he's musical. You've seen Kolavari, and in Ranjana is excelled, and in this is excelled. So it's so nice to see him make a statement constantly and proving everybody wrong.
रहमान सर, अभी आपने कहा कि आप अपनी फिल्म पे काम कर रहे हैं. क्या खास वो फिल्म होने वाली है? कुछ खास बताना चाहेंगे?
I am working on Imtiaz Ali's new movie, Highway. Then working on Pani. And then what else am I working on? I'm doing a movie with Arif Ali, and then I'm doing a movie with Siddharth in the south.
Your movie?
So these are the movies.
Bharat sir, what about the cinematography of this particular movie, if you want to?
Any favorite song of yours which you love to most?
No, I just woke up. Thanks.
Rahman sir, any plans of you acting in a film or any plans?
What is this suddenly for 3 months I've been like getting this? No. I'm a principal of a school now. We just opened the KM Music College of Music and Technology, and that's it. My role.
Thank you. Just Vande Mataram in your own
Ma tujhe salam, Vande Mataram. Here's
Vande
the man.
Mataram.
Here's the man. Here's the man.
Thank you. Vande Mataram.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.